Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wanted to explore the world from the comfort of your home or need to test location-based apps without moving an inch, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some of the best fake GPS location apps for Android that let you spoof your location with ease. Whether it's for gaming, testing, or just having fun, these apps will give you the flexibility to roam anywhere virtually. Let's get started. Fake GPS location, GPS JoyStick. Fake GPS location, GPS JoyStick is a popular app that allows users to spoof their GPS location easily. With a user-friendly interface, it enables individuals to navigate any virtual location with just a few taps. The app features a joystick for real-time location manipulation, allowing users to move their position as if they were actually walking or driving in that area. Additionally, it supports features like setting a predefined route, saving favorite locations, and sharing the fake location with friends. This app is particularly useful for testing location-based apps or games without having to be physically present at those locations, making it a favorite among gamers and developers alike. Mock locations, fake GPS path. Mock locations, fake GPS path is another effective app for simulating GPS locations. It allows users to set a false GPS position and create custom routes to simulate travel. This is especially useful for developers testing location-based applications, as it lets them generate a path that the app can follow. The app offers various customization options, including speed adjustments and the ability to load predefined routes. The intuitive interface makes it easy to select different locations, ensuring a smooth user experience. Mock locations is ideal for anyone interested in more than just pointing to a single location, as it enables detailed route simulation, making it versatile for testing or playful purposes. Fake GPS app. Fake GPS app is a straightforward and effective tool for changing your device's location. It allows users to select any location on the map and set it as their GPS location without much hassle. This app includes a search function to find specific addresses quickly, making it easy to set your fake location. Users can disable the mock location feature when finished, ensuring seamless operation with regular location-based apps. The simple layout and ease of use make it appealing for casual users who need a quick way to spoof their GPS location. It's suitable for various applications, including accessing geo-restricted content or just for fun with friends. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of fake GPS location apps helps you find the perfect tool to enhance your experience with location-based applications. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app recommendations and tech tips. Which app are you looking forward to trying? Share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.